Ceviche's trying to get Ajax to give her the ball. And Ceviche's like, nope. I got it. Ceviche's like, oh, come on. If I just get a little piece. Come on. If I lay here really sweet. I'm on my belly. Please. Trying to get it out of her mouth. Ajax isn't doing anything. He's like, nope, it's mine. But eventually, Ceviche will win her over. Oh, almost. Ceviche almost has it. Almost. Ajax is just, ah ha ha, can't get it. Oh, the cat jumped down. So funny. Oh, come on, just give me the darn thing. Ajax is like, nope, it's mine. Everything she can. Oh, if I lay here, if I lay here. Maybe I can push it out of her fake mouth. So funny. How many times they do this? It's so funny. Yep. Oh, and he's letting it out of his mouth now. He's getting closer. Getting closer. They ain't getting it once he lets it out of his mouth. Ceviche is going to be getting it soon. That's determination right there. Oh, giving up. Maybe. What's wrong, Ceviche? She won't give it to you. Ajax won't give you the ball. Get it out. Get it, Ceviche. Get the ball, Ceviche. Get the ball. Pull it out of her mouth. Pull it out of his mouth. There you go. Get the ball. Get the ball, Ceviche. Get the ball. Get it. Oh, cat sneeze. Get the ball, Ceviche. Get it. Yeah, I'm trying. Oh, get the ball, Ceviche. Get the ball. Oh yeah, right out of her mouth. There you go. Right out of her mouth. Ajax, you're just not letting her, are you? Got stuff way back in there. She can't even get it in your mouth. Oh yeah, there's Cat. Cat's on the move. Uh-oh. Distraction. Yeah, I hear you, kitty kitty. Ah, look at that. CBG is pulling it out of the dog's mouth. Ajax is not letting it go. He's nope, it's stuffed in there. You can touch it, but you can't get it. Oh, this is Sunday morning entertainment here. One dog, you wouldn't have this. Two dogs, oh my, what did I do? Oh, I did something.